buddy. Oh shit, hello buddy. Hello there. You ready? Oh, my light. Needs to lock hubs. It is dry as.
Coffee from a can is such a weird
Yeah, since it's so dry, we need to do something hard. The objective tonight is actually get out of two-wheel drive.
Yeah.
But it's pretty dry. So
Pretty hard in big rigs like this, eh? They just want to go anywhere we take them.
I swear the lens is dirty.
Good stars too.
Take it off. What's like?
Depends if
Let's just go find something that has mud.
Bottom of big red's always got mud. Yeah.
All right, so lead me there. Pause. Need to make sure that the angle's good. I was kind of hoping this would all be wet. But maybe the actual tracks will be wet, hopefully. Doing a boggle. Light work. have a snorkel and a passenger guard in the back. It's making a lot of noise. I think we're here to the actual reason we're even here. Oh.
You gotta go down there.
Hello there! How's it look? Dry? Why does it look drier than last time?
But yeah, I want to drive out of it.
You want to go up that way?
Yeah.
You probably can. It doesn't look as bad as I thought. Although I wouldn't mind moving some of these sticks.
Main issue would be actually making it through here with enough speed to get up that.
I don't reckon
like
you need.
whether I
I don't
dip
reckon
out
you
or not.
need speed for that though.
Be more whether I get the clearance through this.
Yeah.
I don't know. I'll find out when I go through the other way.
This is true. See if I can make it how I am, because you won't. You'll have to move definitely.
Yeah.
Just spot me and then yeah.
Be able to hook in a little bit and just go down.
I try. Hi Farah. Am I good or should I just go back?
Turn my way a little bit. Yeah. Keep going straight. Done it straight. Forward. Keep going. Turn in now. Yeah. Yeah, like that. A little bit more. Yeah. Yeah, keep going. You might drop off a little on this side, but straighten up a little bit. Yeah, keep going.
I'm hung up on something. Oh no, I'm not.
What?
Am I good?
Yeah, you should be alright.
Oh, this is so sketcy.
Max is gonna drop in now. Keep going.
Oh, there it is. Let's get on noise, I guess. Doesn't even look that slippery. You know, that was very easy, but I need to go spot Harry now. That felt.
Your back wheel in real fucking late. I
That
thought
felt.
you were going to come in a lot earlier, but it didn't.
That felt so sketchy.
I was actually pushing your car over, trying to push it into the right.
Really?
I got a bit worried, to be honest. Like it was like.
Oh my god.
Look at your
third of the way
suspension though.
down.
All of your suspension's fucking holding its own, just bounces straight back
Yeah.
up.
That so much steeper than last time.
No, it wasn't. It was because you were up there, you went
Okay.
to the right.
It felt a lot steeper
Yeah,
than
just
last
look
time.
at
Yeah, you're pretty much good actually. Left hand down a little bit.
What?
Left hand down a bit. Oh, now straight. Let me check the back. Yeah, keep going. Straighten up a little bit. Alright, left hand down. I need to film it with my head. Huh? Yeah, he put his windows up. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, look.
But it does say gullible in the tree.
Is that right? Is that right? Where? Where did I film you? Ah. Hi. He's so gonna spray me with mud. absolutely drenched. I'm getting... Hey, wait.
I landed on top.
I got a giant mud.
A giant mud.
A giant mud.
Go to the top.
Yeah.
I forgot to close the window halfway through. I regret that now.
Oh, don't worry. You got a lot of me at least. I'll give it a shot. Oh man, I'm covered in mud. And I know for a fact that the video does not do it justice. It is okay, I give it jolly good send. Oh, big stick, very big stick. I go this way. And now I reverse. That wasn't stick, that was tree. Trees are big. Should I put my window up? No. Probably gonna get mud everywhere in the car. Let's grab second gear. Bigger run up. I think I started second gear. Oh man, the TD gets it done. Now I have to let it cool down for a week.
Hey, tea time. Fuck yeah, that was a good drive.
Yeah, it wasn't too bad actually. Oh, now
It's way juicier than what it actually looks at hill.
Oh yeah, it is. Absolutely. I was just saying the camera does not do it justice. I bet it won't.
Yes, because I dragged that piece of mud there halfway up the hill and then you dragged it the rest of the way.
Yeah.
But every time you went, it got wetter as well.
Yeah, I know. GQ Patrol, not in Woolworths car park. I'll put the light on for a bit, see if that makes the footage better. I need to unlock hubs. Yeah. Hello
Chad,
there.
hello there, buddies.
We go home now.
Yeah.
Yes, buddy.
Car is only a little bit dirty. Not too bad.
This is fine. My car also a little bit dirty. Yeah.